Hello, and welcome to the Cultivating Mindful Awareness series, 5 Days of Meditation. This series is designed to help you cultivate greater self-awareness, presence, and inner peace. It will also deepen your connection with yourself, your body, and the present moment. Over the next 5 days, we'll explore a variety of simple yet effective meditation techniques, allowing you to discover which practices resonate most deeply for you. And for those who wish to continue their practice, I'm also offering a bonus Day 6 meditation through Patreon. See the link in the description below if you'd like to join my Patreon community. In our busy and often chaotic world, it's easy to get caught up in the past or worry about the future. We spend much of our time lost in thought, disconnected from our bodies, and the richness of the present moment. One of the best ways to step out of the thought stream that pulls us away from the here and now is to ground ourselves in our present moment experience. And we can do that through body sensations as well as sounds. So in this moment, let's practice together. If you haven't already, please sit well on a chair or on a cushion on the floor, with an upright spine and a relaxed torso. You can also lie down if sitting is uncomfortable. If you choose to lie down, try to maintain a gentle alertness. Settle into this space and see if you can redirect your attention away from distractions, thoughts, to-do lists. Set down the heaviness. You don't need to carry it through this meditation. Let's set an intention to be fully present together and to do this practice wholeheartedly to the best of our abilities. Now feel your whole body as you sit or lie. Release any tension in your hands. Relax your shoulders. Soften your face, the eyes, your forehead. Separate the lower row of teeth from the upper row so that the jaw is unclenched. Invite your whole body to let go and relax. If you need to shift your position or adjust your posture at any time, feel free to do so. Listen to your body and honor its needs in this moment. Now expand your awareness to include the sounds around you. What sounds are present in this moment? Near or far, loud or soft, pleasant or unpleasant? Let them be and just listen. Allowing the sounds to be in the background of your awareness, bring your curious and open attention to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly as you breathe. Feel the coolness of the inhale as it moves in through the nose, the warmth of the exhale as it moves out. Continue to feel and follow the breath, wherever you detect it most clearly. And if it's helpful, you can silently label the parts of the breath. You can think inhaling, exhaling, rising, falling, or simply in, out. Stay with the rhythm of your breath until a physical sensation is strong enough to take your attention away. When that happens, you can allow the breath to move into the background of your awareness as you let your attention settle fully on the body sensation that has captured your attention. You're not trying to control or change the sensation. See if you can simply observe it with equanimity, without reactivity, to the best of your abilities. You might find it helpful to mentally label the sensation. Is it warmth, coolness, itching, pressure, perhaps achiness, vibrations, or ease? The words don't have to be perfect. They're just a way to connect more deeply with what you're feeling. If no strong sensations are present, return to the gentle rhythm of your breath. Allow that to be your home base. You may notice thoughts passing through your awareness, trying to take your attention away from the present moment. Try your best not to engage with the thoughts and keep coming back to the flow of your breath, body sensations, and even the sounds in the background. Remember, this is a time to cultivate and practice mindful present moment awareness. If a pleasant sensation arises, you might feel tempted to hold on to it. If that happens, see if you can soften your grip, allowing the pleasant feeling to be there without wanting it to last forever. Now, it's also possible that an unpleasant sensation arises. Notice any urge to resist it, to push it away. See if you can meet the unpleasantness with kindness and curiosity. Where do you feel it in your body? What are its qualities? If an emotion arises, see if you can meet it with kindness and acceptance, and focus your attention on where you feel the emotion in your body. gently observing and holding space for yourself without getting lost in the story that usually accompanies emotions. If any sensation feels intense or overwhelming, return to the breath, a safe place to rest. Let us remember that sensations are impermanent. Pleasant feelings come and go, and so do unpleasant ones. We can't control, fix, or change them, but we can cultivate awareness. Continue to look away from the thought stream as you invite your attention to move between the sounds around you, the flow of your breath, and the sensations in your body. Allow your awareness to be open, spacious, and receptive for the next few minutes. A gong sound will signal the end of your practice. Feel really good about meditating with me today. Savor the fact that you showed up, made an effort, and dedicated this time to yourself and your practice. As you go about your day, see if you can carry this awareness of your body and this sense of presence with you. I look forward to seeing you on day 2 where we'll further explore the breath. For ad-free meditations and bonus content, including a day 6 walking meditation, join me on Patreon under Motto Yoga. The link is below. Thank you for practicing with me. Wishing you a wonderfully mindful day.